Okay, the last corridor of corridors. There are quarters on the floor while I'm walking down the corridor. 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 Yeah. It sounds, and I hear bells. 3 bells. So you finally made it. The end of your journey is at hand. In a few moments, you will meet the king. Together, you will determine the future of this world. That's then. Now, you will be judged. You will be judged for your every action. You will be judged for every EXP you've earned. What's EXP? It's an acronym. It stands for execution points, a way of quantifying the pain that you have inflicted on others. When you kill someone, your EXP increases. When you have enough EXP, your love increases. Love, too, is an acronym. It stands for level of violence, a way of measuring someone's capacity to hurt. The more you kill, the easier it becomes to distance yourself. The more you distance yourself, the less you will hurt. The more easily you can bring yourself to hurt others, the more you... God damn it. Now you understand. It's time to begin your judgment. Look inside yourself. Have you really done the right thing? And considering what you've done, what will you do now? Take a moment to think about this. Truthfully, it doesn't really matter what you said. All that's important is that you were honest with yourself. What happens now, we leave up to you. You left! Throne room. What's over here? Whoa, it's a coffin. There's a name engraved on it. Gabe. Oh God! No! I'm gonna die. I already have my coffin and everything, those fucking bastards. Oh shit, he looks like Thor. Or Thor's dad, whose name I don't know. Dum-dee-dum. Oh? Is someone there? Just a moment. I have almost finished watering these flowers. Here we are. Howdy. How can I... Oh. I so badly want to say, would you like a cup of tea? But, you know how it is. Nice day today, huh? Birds are singing, flowers are blooming, perfect weather for a game of catch. You know what we must do? When you are ready, come into the next room. Guy looked epic. It's a throne. It's another throne covered by a white sheet. How tense. Just think of it like a visit to the dentist. Are you ready? If you are not, I understand. I am not ready either. the end. Oh shit. Whoa! What the fuck? This is the barrier. This is what keeps us all trapped underground. If by chance you have any unfinished business, please do what you must. I will continue. I see. This is it then. Ready? Strange light fills the room. Jesus Christ, Asgore, you're really blunt, huh? Twilight is shining through the barrier. It seems your journey is finally over. You're filled with determination. Bitch! Human. It was nice to meet you. Goodbye. Oh shit! Oh. Oh shit! Everything is filled with purple goodness. Wow, okay. Let's talk about this. But there was nothing to say. Oh god! Jesus. Alright. Let's see what you got. 80 attack, 80 defense. You ain't shit, asshole. The snake. That was horrible. Oh shit. I didn't. Oh no. I'm gonna have to. Goddamn. Oh sweet fucking lord. Okay. I got my dog salad. Got my dog salad. But there was nothing to say. Oh god. Please talk to me for a minute. With your big red fuck. Alright. Dog salad. Hey, the dog salad. Oh, there are bones. Roomba. Fuck. Ooh. Hey, garbage. Delicious. Jesus. This fucked me up. Okay. I missed. Take that. Haha. Jeez. That attack's a little too epic for my taste. Jesus. Fuck. Oh. I'm doing horribly at this fight. I don't want to kill you, Asgore. Going way too fast, Brett. Please. Please. You're not a fan of humans, are you? No! Jesus! We're going to be alright. Gabe, stay determined. Jesus. Alright. Alright. Tell Asgore that he's killed me once before. He nods sadly. Oh, fuck. You tell Asgore that he's killed you 3 times. He nods sadly. It fills me with fucking determination. You tell Asgore that he's killed you 4 times. He nods fucking sadly. 5 times. He nods grievously. 6 times. 7 motherfucking times. Bastard. 8 times. Grievously. 9 times. Too many motherfucking times to count. He nods pitifully. And for that, Asgore, I'm done. I'm gonna beat you like I beat your wife. In the next one. Okay, thanks, bye.